Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you my Fidget toys part 1, and I will be making a fidget. I will be making a fidget board, and I'm sorry if this video goes off by itself because I don't have any data, and I'm sorry I'm not dressed. I'm so sorry about that. Just I can't explain. So let's just get my basket of toys out. Okay, so let me just go over to my area. Okay, so first, make sure you like this video if you have any of these, and subscribe to this channel if you like making things. Okay, number 1 is this little dog, what has little wings on the back of it, and it's really cute because it has a little keyring on it, and they're only £5. My friend got them, and I don't know why they're at my house. Then we have this bunny one. We have this bunny one of the dog. You cannot take its hood off, and then this one does not have wings. This one has ears, and it still has a keychain. It still has the tags, and yeah. So, and then that was not in there. Okay, then we have another one of the dogs, but unicorn. We do have another one, but we can't find it. So yeah, I have this one. This one has a horn and a cute little ears. This one's a unicorn. And yeah, it has a tail. It still has the little tags, and it does have the keyring. But the worst thing about this unicorn is that bit of the tail. You see that, how it's all brown? So, second one. This one. This one, it's like watermelon squishy with some sand stuff in it, and a heavy sound. You can kind of hear the dryer a little bit. It's the dryer. And so yeah, this is the little squishy. It's really cool. I really like it. Probably my fave. Oh no. I have another fave in here. It's my favourite, my absolute favourite. This is my favourite here because it's like this pink crocodile, and I spent loads of 2p's on it, and I literally would not leave it. And look what it does. See that at the bottom? And just adorable. I love it. And then we have this little worry monster. He's very squishy. I feel like when I'm mad, I like to just squish him, pretend he's eating my finger and stuff. So yeah. Then we also have this little bunny what I like squishing. It's really cute as well, and it has the tag. By the way, this is from McDonald's, and yeah, has a very fluffy tail. And also we have this little ripped balloon, and it's really cool because I can stretch it and everything, and I can just pretend someone's in a t-shirt, doo 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 doo, or maybe a hot air balloon like that, yeah. Or maybe I can just fling it at someone. So yeah. And then we also have this little, it used to be a lip balm with lip balm in the bottom, but now I've took it out, so it looks like a little puppet. It's a little penguin. It's very cute, to be honest. Everything's cute. Okay, now we have this little this was from a broken remote, and I love, when I'm angry, I just love pressing all the buttons down. You can actually press down. Watch. Hear this. Like that. when I was listening to music downstairs. So if you can hear some of that music, yeah, it's my mum. But basically you can only hear the dryer. And we have this, a little unicorn. And I just like there's water in it and like the sparkles like move around. Do you see that? You're there. Yeah, and then I just like flipping it upside down. You saw them moving, yeah. And I'll be going like that and look at how fast all that. Whoa. Oh. I know. The legs are not part of it. And we have one more and it's just over here. I'm just going to go get it now. Well, it's just in my little water. It's very cute. It's from the works. And it's very, very cute. It's like this little... This is like very, very, very cute turtle. It has the tag on it from the works. It has a little key in there. Look at its cute little eyes. Yeah. Look. But my favourite bit about it is like it's yellow underneath and it's so cute. My favourite animal is a turtle. I know. I'm like, yeah. Ow. So guys, make sure to remember if you have any of these, like this video, and if you like art or like arts and craft, subscribe to this channel. I will see you in a couple of days. Bye guys!